Today I am going to share chicken and veggie Sondesh recipe. It's so delicious and healthy. You can give your kids lunch box. They will love it. Butter to teaspoon. Allow to melt. Chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons. Fry few seconds. Chicken a half cup. Fry until color changes. Salt to taste. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Stir and fry. Chopped carrots, 1/4 cup. Green chickpeas, 3 tablespoons. Green bell pepper, 4 tablespoons. Red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons. Corn, 3 tablespoons. Spring onion, 1/4 cup. Green chili, 2 tablespoons. Fry 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoons. Stir and mix. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Let it cool. 6 eggs. Pinch of salt. Beat until combined. Add egg mixture over the chicken and veggie mixture. Flour, 3 tablespoons. Mix. Done. Baking mold. Spread the butter. Add egg and chicken veggie mixture. Spread. Cover with foil paper. Add hot water. Cover and steam 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check. Toothpick clear. That means perfectly steamed. Let it cool. Time to demold. Slice it. I cut triangle shape. Butter to teaspoon. Fry them 2 to 3 minutes. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.